Hello guys, what's up? Today we are going to solve Codeforces Sheet number 2, problem number B, even numbers. We are seeing that even number given a number n, which is an integer number. Print all even numbers between 1 to n, inclusive in separate lines. You have to remember that first of all it is an integer type, and you have to print even numbers and between 1 to n. Like if input 10, you have to print that all even numbers from 2 to 10, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And if we takes input 5, we have to print that 2 and 4 between them, but not 5. That's why, because of it's not an even number. So we are simply solving this problem from using code blocks. You can use Visual Studio Code also. To create in code blocks, you have to create new file, new empty file, and you have to save it first. This is sheet 2, problem 2, .cpp. Not that you are given .cpp, otherwise your program would run. Then save it and zoom it. First of all, we are going to import iOS stream using namespace td. Int main return 0. This is the basic setup for C++. Now we are going to take integer n and input scene n. Now we are going to use condition if n equals 1, cout -1 endl, that's in end line, else if else for int I equals 2. That means I is starting from 2, because the smallest even number is 2. Then greater than or equivalent, and then I plus equal to, plus equals to the means even numbers, so we have to show all even numbers. That's why plus 2. Then cout I endl end line. That's the click F9 or simply build and run. We are going to solve the problem. Take input 10. We are seeing that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 all even numbers is printing. Now we are going to check it again from input 5. To 4, our code is running well. So simply copy the code by clicking simply selecting Ctrl A, then copying by Ctrl C, minimize it, then go to submit code, choose the program number, problem B, and Ctrl B to paste it, then submit. Now it's running on test. Now you are seeing that all code is accepted. So thanks for watching.